Hello everyone. Today's recipe is going to be quick, easy and healthy side dish. We are going to make drumstick stir fry, also known as moringa. We all know the nutritional facts of moringa, be it vegetable drumsticks, greens or flowers. Of course, the flowers are seasonal, but the greens and drumsticks are available throughout the year. So we should include them in our diet as much as possible. I've also shared lots of recipes earlier, and I'll be sharing the link of the playlist in the description box. You can check them out as well. And coming back to today's recipe, it's quick, easy stir fry with the addition of spices and roasted gram flour or besan. It's made in a jiffy, it hardly takes time. So we can enjoy this as a side dish with dal chawal. It makes a great dish for thali meal also. First we'll start with dry roasting the besan or gram flour. I've taken about 2 heaped ladles. We won't be requiring so much, but it's always better to make and store it for later use too, because it's very difficult to roast very small quantity. We'll be only requiring about 1 tablespoon. Keep stirring continuously until it gives out a nice aroma. Now switch off the flame and continue to stir. As the pan is still hot, it may become blackish. After a few seconds, you can just remove it in a plate or a bowl. Allow it to cool very well before you store it in a bottle. Once this is ready, you can use it anytime in your sabzis or curries. Make sure the bottle is clean and dry. Now let's proceed with the drumstick preparation. We'll peel the drumsticks by scraping them with a sharp knife. Peeling is done. Now cut them into smaller pieces like 2.5 to 3 inches as you like. Pour water in a pan and add salt to it. Put the drumstick pieces and let them boil. We are going to cook them until they are 90% done. This water is very nutritious. After draining, I am going to use it to make dal. Now drain the water. Heat oil in a pan. I am taking mustard oil, which gives a lovely flavor to this sabzi, about 2 tablespoons. If you don't have, you can use normal oil. Heat the oil very well, reduce the flame and add Asafoetida, about 2 pinches. Then half teaspoon of mustard seeds, and we let them crackle. Now dip in the drumstick pieces. Saute them until they change color and the moisture is dried up. These drumsticks really taste awesome. Now time to add the spice powders. I have taken half teaspoon Amchoor powder or mango powder, chilli powder half teaspoon, which is Kashmiri chilli powder, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, Kasoori methi 1 teaspoon. Everything goes in and give it a good stir so that all the spices are coated on the drumstick pieces. This is no onion, no garlic recipe, so it can be had during the Navratra period also. Now add 1 tablespoon of bhuna besan, roasted gram flour, little bit of salt, and give it a nice mix. The gram flour also is nicely coated on the drumstick pieces. Now sprinkle little water, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and give it a stir. This way the besan also will get cooked and get very nicely stuck to the drumstick pieces. The flavor of the spices also will be incorporated into them. Give it a stir, cover and simmer. Drumsticks are ready. Dish them out in a serving platter. You can enjoy these with a meal of dal chawal. It makes a complete meal. My family just loves this preparation of drumsticks. So do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it too. Thank you for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.